This week on Head to Head, we will put on the spotlight two MPVs available in the market today. One has been quite in the market for a long time, while the other one is a newcomer. Are you curious what these are? Let's all find out. MPVs, or the multi-purpose vehicles, are expected to deliver efficiency, effectivity, and versatility, especially that they would be carrying a group of 7. We have this week the Toyota Innova and the Mahindra Silo to compare and contrast. Let's start off with the two MPVs engine. The Innova is a 2.8-liter D4D engine that puts out 171 PS of power and 360 Nm of torque, while the Mahindra Silo is a 2.2-liter M-Hawk turbo diesel that produces 120 PS of power and 280 Nm of torque. For the suspension, it is worth noting that the Innova and Silo have similar chassis and suspension setups. Both use a body-on-frame construction, double wishbone suspension in the front, and a live axle setup at the rear. The two are also rear-wheel drives. Safety-wise, the Silo is equipped with dual front airbags as well as anti-lock brakes. Top-spec models add heat cooling for the brakes. In the Innova, it gets dual front airbags as well, plus knee airbags for the driver. Side and curtain airbags are reserved for the range-stopping variant. Anti-lock brakes are standard across the line. The two MPVs also don't run short on their infotainment system. The Innova comes with either a 2-DIN head unit or a touchscreen. All but the base model come with Bluetooth and USB ports. Standard in all is a CD player, auxiliary in, and MP3. The top two trim lines gain navigation as well. As for the Silo, base models use a 1-DIN stereo with CD, USB, and MP3. Meanwhile, top-spec variants get a 2-DIN sound system. CD, USB, and MP3 compatibility is also present and gains an SD card reader. Moving to their exteriors, the two have different ways of showcasing what an MPV should look like. The Innova features sweeping lines with a bold front fascia and a distinct hexagonal grille. Long wraparound headlights complete the look of the front. Moving to its side, it has a distinct character line that can be seen on the middle section of the MPV, along with a pinched third-row window. The entire range sits on 16-inch alloy wheels except for the base model, which come with 16-inch steel rims with wheel covers. At the rear is a reverse L taillight, and it's complemented by a rear tailgate spoiler. In contrast with the Innova, the Silo sees a tall, upright design. At the front are large headlights and a slim 6-slat grille. Black trim surrounds the bottom half of the car, and all variants get stepboards as standard. Meanwhile, the tall windows further accent the Silo's height. At the rear is a unique tailgate design that opens sidewards, and at the corners are vertical taillights. These two MPVs almost come close to each other in comparison, but thanks to their differences, each is unique in their own way. Whichever you prefer, trust that you've got the right choice. That was the Toyota Innova and the Mahindra Silo, two popular MPVs in the Philippine market today, our feature on this week's Head to Head.